Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your Google Assistant language. So guys, first of all, let's just open our Google application on our phone. Then after that, we're going to open this profile button on the top right corner of our screen. Then we're going to tap on the settings option, this one. Tap on the settings option, then we can simply tap on the Google Assistant setting. Okay, and on this Google Assistant setting, we have to select the language setting since we want to change the language of our Google Assistant. So just tap on the language setting, then you can simply tap on this option to change your language. And as you can see that here, my assistant language is English language, so we're going to change it. Tap on this option, then you can select the language that you want your Google Assistant speak to you. And for example, I'm going to select Indonesia. Okay, and now the assistant language has been changed, and that's how we can change Google Assistant language. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.